Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. This prevents accidental burns and electrical issues. Checking your owner's manual for the exact bulb type is also a smart first step. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a plastic cover or a few clips to gain clear access. Once you have a good view, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. It usually pulls straight off or has a small tab to press. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your model, you'll either unclip it or twist it counterclockwise to release it from the housing. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Before putting everything back together, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working properly. This saves you from having to redo steps if there's an issue. Once confirmed, reattach any covers or clips you removed earlier, and you're all set with a bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.